how Matthew describes the visit of the three wise men to Bethlehem. Matthew has given a detailed description, and every inch, every part of it is important. He said they are from the east. There are three of them. They see a star. They come, making their way, and they ask for guidance from Herod, who tells them, go to Bethlehem. And when they see the child Jesus, they offer him obedience and gifts. Then they go by a different way. Let's reflect briefly on this so-called the Magi incident. How it brings about so-called the University of God's love. It says, first of all, they are from the east. When the child was born in Bethlehem, God did not make his birth known to the Jews, the Herod, Pharisees, scribes, but people far away who are non-Jews, the Gentiles. Pope Francis says, God's love is inherently inclusive, unconditional, and seeks everyone, especially those who are marginalized. So in this way, God revealing himself to the Gentile shows God's love is inclusive. No one is excluded. When Jesus came and began the ministry, we see that he preaches, works miracles, not just in Jerusalem or Jewish town, but also in the Gentiles town. We can ask ourselves, is my love inclusive or exclusive? My friendship, my dealings with people, is it inclusive or exclusive?